What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. A new Google Chrome emergency security update has been released and many users think they're protected, but they're not fully updated yet. A new Chrome emergency security update has just been released, and if you're using Chrome, this is something you should check right now. These emergency updates are usually pushed out to fix serious vulnerabilities, which means running an outdated version, even for a short time, can put your browser at risk. So in this video, I'll show you how to check your current Chrome version, make sure the update is actually installed, restart Chrome, and even verify other browsers. This is a quick but important check to make sure your browser is fully patched and secure. Firstly, all you need to do is open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Then from the menu, go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left sidebar and click on About Chrome. This page where Chrome handles updates and shows you your current version. Now on the About Chrome page, you'll see your current version number. Chrome will automatically check for updates as soon as you open this page. If an update is available, Chrome will restart downloading it immediately. Just wait for a few seconds and watch the status. You should see checking for updates or downloading updates or Chrome is up to date. Even if it says up to date, there's one more important thing to check. If Chrome downloaded an update but hasn't applied it yet, let's look for the restart button and you'll see a relaunch or restart button. This is critical. Chrome does not apply the security update until you click that button. Just click relaunch and Chrome will close and reopen automatically. All your tabs should come back. This step ensures the security patch is fully installed and active. Now after Chrome restarts, let's confirm the update is applied. Just go back to the About Chrome page. Check the version again. And now you should see Chrome is up to date with no restart button. This confirms that the update has been successfully applied. At this point, browser is fully patched and you're ready. Now, if you use other browsers like Microsoft Edge, Brave, or Opera, they are also based on Chromium and may require updates too. Just open each browser. Go to their About page in Settings. Check for updates the same way, and just like Chrome, these browsers also require a restart to apply updates. Keeping all browsers updated is important because they share the same underlying engine. Now Chrome updates automatically by default, but it's still good to confirm nothing is blocking it. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Chrome isn't restricted or by system policies, or your system allows background updates. If updates are paused or blocked, Chrome may not receive security fixes on time. In some cases, especially after multiple updates, you need to restart your computer. It's optional, but it is recommended because restarting your computer helps ensure everything is fully refreshed. Just close Chrome on your PC. Restart your PC from the Start menu. And when it boots back, then open Chrome again and go and do a quick version check. This step isn't always required, but it can help avoid update issues. So we opened About Chrome, checked version, let Chrome download updates, click restart, confirm the update, and then check other Chromium browsers. This entire process takes less than a minute but keeps your browser secure. And that's how you make sure your Chrome emergency security update is fully installed. The most important step is not just updating, but actually restarting Chrome so the fix is applied. If you want more quick security checks, browser fixes, and tech tutorials, please like and subscribe to our channel for more so you don't miss the next update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.